Sa atin pong pag-aaral ng batas, mayroon po tayong tinatawag na warrantless arrest. Ano po ba yung mga instances when arrest without warrant is allowed?
Warrantless arrest, Your Honor, is if a particular crime is being committed and the police officer has actual knowledge of the perpetration of the crime, Your Honor, the law enforcement can actually conduct the arrest of the subject without the necessity of a warrant, Your Honor.
DOJ, you will agree with me, we call it the doctrine of flagrante delicto.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, he can be arrested even by a private citizen without need of a warrant.
Yes, Your Honor. As a citizen arrest, Your Honor.
Okay. Mayroon pong fake information, nakapost yung isang blogger. Can it be considered as flagrante delicto?
Yes, Your Honor.